Question 43. So I will read the part of the text with the gap, and you will have to choose one of the four options to put into the gap. This word will be the first word in the phrase. So the options here will be A. Views, B. Aspects, C. Factors, D. Pieces. You have to pay attention to the words said after that to the text to understand what is said. So the correct answer will be D. Pieces, because here they talk about tone, pitch and melody of the music. The text is: pieces of music like tone, pitch and melody are all probably processed in different parts of the brain. Pieces is close to components. This is the only one that is with this meaning, so this is the one that is correct.